Hello! The objective of this tutorial is to demonstrate the functionality of the blend container in Wwise. This container allows you to create independent blend tracks and have them interact with real-time parameter controls generated by your game. For this tutorial, we will create a blend container that will allow the reaction of a crowd to be controlled by a real-time parameter control. Let's start by creating the real-time parameter control that we will use to vary the intensity of the crowd blend container. In the Project Explorer, click on the Game Sinks tab. Right-click on the default work unit on the Game Parameter node and select New Child, then the Game Parameter menu option. Name the new game parameter Excitement. Double-click on the Excitement game parameter to display the min and max values. For this example, we will use the default min and max values, those being 0 and 100 respectively. Let's now import the 4 sounds into our current Wwise project. These 4 sounds represent incremental amounts of crowd excitement. Set their behavior as looping using the multi-edit functionality. Now select the 4 newly created sound objects and select the new parent, then Blend Container option from the contextual menu. Name the new blend container Crowd. The 4 crowd sound objects are now contained as child objects to the blend container. Now double-click on the blend container to reveal its properties in the property editor, and notice that the 4 child sound objects are also contained in the contents editor. Let's now create a blend track for this container. Press on the Blend Tracks Edit button in the property editor to display the blend track editor. Now click on the New Blend Track button to create a new blend track and name it Main Crowd. Now focus your attention to the contents editor. You now see the main crowd blend track added here. In order to add sound objects to the blend track, simply drag and drop from the contents editor to the blend track, creating the desired order. For our example, the drop order will be low, medium, high, and crazy. If you were to play this container now, you would hear all 4 sounds playing together. Note that the order of the sounds placed in the blend track can be changed by using drag and drop if needed. Now, enable the Crossfade option in the blend track editor. This option will evenly space the existing objects in the blend track. Now select the desired real-time parameter control from the selector. We want to use the Excitement real-time parameter control. This real-time parameter control will be used to determine how the blend container will play the sounds contained in its blend track. Let's now play this container and modify the Excitement real-time parameter control parameter. Let's now create some overlaps and crossfades to create a more useful and realistic simulation. Overlaps are created by moving the start and end handles of the desired sound. Crossfades are automatically created at these overlaps. Note that the sound itself can also be moved by clicking the center area and dragging it to its new location. Crossfades are automatically updated. Note that the crossfade curve types can also be modified. This is done by performing a right-click on the desired curve and then selecting the curve type from the contextual menu. Let's play this container and modify the Excitement RTPC parameter. The crossfades now provide a smooth transition between the overlapping sounds. Now, import the cheering sound into the blend container. Let's now integrate the cheering sound on a new blend track. Click the New Blend Track button to create a new blend track. Name it Cheer. Looking again to the contents editor, now drag the cheering sound to the Cheer blend track. Now enable the Crossfade option for the Cheer blend track and select the Excitement RTPC. Now, trim the left portion of the sound so that it roughly lines up with the beginning of the high sound in the above blend track. In order to create a gradual fade-in for the Cheer blend track, we are now going to map the Excitement RTPC to the volume of this blend track. Select the Volume option from the Create menu. The Excitement RTPC is assigned to the volume. Click on the leftmost control point and lower it to -96 dB. Add more control points on the volume curve to have the volume fade in at the beginning of the crazy sound in the above blend track. Remember that curve types for the volume curve can also be selected to meet your needs. Let's now play this container and modify the excitement real-time parameter control parameter. The added cheer blend track adds more realism to this blend container. This concludes the blend container video tutorial.